Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another daily update. My name is Akash, and today we're going to be taking a look at a trade that I took yesterday. Right, I'm going to give you a quick overview. If you uh, do not know about the trade, please make sure to go ahead and check out the yesterday's video that I uploaded. I talk about it in not sure if it's in detail or brief, but I do talk about the trade. Okay, let's get into it. Right. Okay, so let's go on a 4 hour time frame and see what's happening, right? Like I've mentioned this in my Discord group for quite some time that once we break above this declining trend line, things would change for the better. And on top of that, we had the 4 hour, or basically the volume point of control at roughly around 16.1k, which is now shifted to 16.6k, right? So, so this level was extremely important, and I entered prematurely. I entered even before price could kind of go above the let's keep it here for now, right? So basically, what I did was entered on this particular 4 hour candle, and on the lower time frame, you can see that I was already optimistic because I was long around this particular point. I think I entered long somewhere around here. I waited, and then the price chopped around for quite some time here on the weekend, and then got wrecked on this particular candle. And after that, I should have entered long here, but because I got wrecked, I was a little hesitant that the price could potentially, drop down a lot lower. So what I did instead was I waited, and then when I got this market structure shift here, basically on this particular candle, I knew that there was going to be an exhaustion of this particular run up, which will lead to a retracement, and that's what I was waiting for. And you can see on a 1 hour time frame, I think I entered on this particular candle here. Um, so the reason for my entry here is that I just used fib extension to measure this particular impulse, and I saw that it was around the 50 point, and there was a nice reaction here. So basically, after I entered here, I wanted to place my stop loss just below this because we had already swept lows here. But then I felt we could potentially go down to 16,315, which is the midpoint of this particular impulse move. So I didn't place any stop loss, uh, and let the price, like, I gave it some room to breathe. And once the price came up to this particular point, I placed my stop loss around here because I knew like we could potentially go up now. And I think on that particular night, I did mention in my Discord group about just a sec. Yep, right. We'll answer all your questions tomorrow. For now, I just hope the market rips and fucks all shorters. And you can see this was on November 29th, which was here, and then the next morning I wake up to see this beautiful green candle, and yeah, so things were pretty good. And my TP basically was the Monday's high formed on 14th November, which was completely unswept all this time. And now that the price is it's a very small sweep, but I'm gonna take it. And on a 1 hour time frame, the price is oversold, and you can see there's a bearish divergence happening here. So if I might consider opening a short position here, but I'm a little skeptical because the price might not give me the retracement that I need. So even if I do consider this particular run up, I think the most we can do is 16.9. So even if I do open, like, even if I expect a retracement to happen here, keep a tight stop loss, we are looking at something like this. Right, so basically, I think I booked profit at 17,210, which was a good 7.6 hour trade. So that's what's happening here on Bitcoin. So what to expect next? Right, let me just close this for a second. Right, so if you look at it on a 4 hour time frame perspective, the next level is the June 18th low, or 17,593. And I think this is where you can expect a strong retracement down to potentially, like, there's no volume here, so we could we could see it come all the way down to 17k, and then bounce around here. I'm wrong. You know what could happen is we could just chop around this area, and then finally like break out and hit 19k. right? That's basically what I'm expecting. I would love for a retracement because after the price kind of broke this declining trend line, there hasn't really been a good retracement that retests the POC. So if we get it now or after retest of 17.6K, I don't care. As long as we get it, I'm gonna be opening a long position here and booking profits around 19.2K. So that's basically my take on Bitcoin. If you enjoy this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to give me a follow on Twitter as well at Mangyako with a zero at the end. Right, the socials, like in yesterday's video, I did mention that I was starting a new challenge for copy trading with $500. So if you are interested, make sure to check out the pin tweet and the links for copy trading and everything, and my Discord, which is going to be open for a very short duration, is here in this particular tweet. So have a great day. Peace.